welcome to Coding Style channel. Today we will see how we can compare XML with a XSD file. So XML file is nothing but extensible markup language, while XSD is a XML schema definition. So this is nothing but a sequential listing of a element. For example, you can see the parent element is a catalog, then the child element is a book, then author, title, genre, price, and publish date and description. These six are elements of a book element. So these six are sub element of a book, and book is a sub element of catalog. So your XML file should also have a same sequence, that is catalog is a parent element, book is a child element, then these six are a sub child element of a book element. So for to validate XML with the XSD, you should have XML and XSD file in a same folder. Then to check the syntax or to validate the file, you should have plugin installed in a Notepad++. So Notepad++ is an application through which you will be able to validate XML with a XSD. For to download the Notepad++, I have given a link in a description section of this video. So we will click on a plugin menu, then we'll click on plugins admin, then in available tab we will write XML and click on next. So we will select the XML tool and click on install button. You just need to click on yes. While clicking on yes, the open Notepad++ application will be closed. In the background, the plugins will be installed, and once the plugin had been installed, the Notepad++ application will be reopened in front of us. So we are just clicking on a yes menu, yes option. So we can see a plugin had been installed and Notepad++ had been reopened. Then again we will go for plugins menu. We can see the XML tools option is available here once we have installed the XML tools plugin. So we can check the syntax, like check XML syntax now. So there is no error at the moment. So we will try to produce the error by removing this bracket over here. Then again we will go for plugins menu, XML tools, and check XML syntax now. So we can see here we are having a yellow bar which shows the error. So we can easily understand that this tag is remains to complete. So we have set the closing bracket over here. Then again we will go for check XML syntax now. So we can see there is no any error at the moment. Then we just need to validate the XML file this with XSD file. So for to validate, you have to go for plugins menu, XML tools, and you can select the validate now option. You can also use a shortcut for that, that is Control Alt Shift M. So we are clicking on validate option. At the moment there is no any error, but whatever the um, element you are using, that is in a proper sequence, but we will change the sequence of this element. So what we are doing, that is author element, we are cutting over here and pasting over here. So we have moved the author tag, well, author element from book element to a catalog element. So now we will validate again. So we can see the error, that is element author is unexpected according to the content model of a parent element catalog expecting book. So what the error is suggesting us, that the author element is not compatible with a catalog, because catalog should have book element. You can see the catalog should have a next book element. The author element can be available but inside the book element. So we will again select the line, Control X, and we will put the element at the same place over here inside the book element. Now again we will validate the file. XML tools and validate now. So now there is no error. So you can also see that XML file is now has been validated. Then we can check the data as per the its data type also. For example, you can see the published date is in a date format. So we will cut this data and we will write that is coding style over here. Then again we will validate the file. So we can see here we have an error, that is error parsing coding style as date data type. The element published date with a value coding style failed to parse. Means that XML file is not compatible with XSD because the element published date is having a date type and we have written over here the character. So we will again set the date format and again we will check for validation. So now the error has been gone. So this is the simplest way to avoid errors. So friends, please subscribe this channel and share this video. Please click on bell icon to get the update of my next video. Thank you very much.